dark, Mommy?
Susie, what are you doing?
I'm getting Buddy a bath.
Because is Buddy dirty?
Yep.
Hi, Buddy. Do you like your bath? Make a dog noise. Get him nice and clean. Because he went home with 36 kindergartners who
Mommy, look, it's
have
like
runny noses, so
Mommy, look, it's like he...
we're going to give him a bath before he sleeps with her tonight.
Mommy, look at... It's like he's rolling in mud because he's getting darker. I want to see this room. But he's getting darker because it's like he's rolling in the mud.
Okay, get really clean, Buddy. Make sure you scrub behind his ears. Oh, I think Buddy has to shake like dogs do when they're in the water. Get her nice and wet, Buddy. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say, don't worry, I'm taking good care of Buddy tonight.
Don't worry, I'm taking good care of Buddy tonight. Now he's getting heavier because the water's going inside him.
Right.